Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review LaunchCart. So LaunchCart is an e-commerce platform that lets you create your own e-commerce store and you can customize every part of that store. You can create offers, you can create funnels, and even you can create one-click upsells. And the best part is LaunchCart does not have any platform fees. And a great news is this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $300, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $39. Now let's have a look at all the features. So here are all the features. You can host unlimited products. There is literally zero platform fee. You can customize transactional email. You can create coupon codes. You can automate sales. You can add custom domain, and there are a lot of other features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 cost $39 with one store, and on this tier you will get 50 marketplace credit. So there is also a marketplace on LaunchCart. I'm going to show you that in a bit. On that marketplace you can purchase various things for your store, and for that you already get $50 credit on this license tier 1. There is also license tier 2 with 4 stores and license tier 3 with 10 stores. And if you want more, opt for the highest one, the license tier 5. It lets you create 100 stores and almost all the other limits are unlimited. You will get an additional feature on this tier, which is access to the Launch Academy. So if you want to buy LaunchCart on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into LaunchCart, you will get this dashboard, and on the top you can see the store name. And if you want to create a new store, click on this. Or you can also view your store, which means the store that I am currently in. And then on here you can see some statistics. So you can see the need sales, the parent orders, and also the upsell sales. And if you want to create a flow of upsell, all you have to do is click on this link. So as you can see, now we are in this upsell flow section. So you might ask, what is this? Upsell means when you are selling a product to a customer, but then you are also trying to or recommending the upgraded version of the same product or more premium version. So that is exactly what upsell is. And if you want to create that upsell flow, click on this. So you have to provide a flow name and you have to provide the trigger type. As trigger type, let's select product and click on next. So now all of your products are going to appear. And on this section, you should select which product should be the base products, which means based on those products, some other products are going to be recommended. So on this page, first you have to choose the base products, and then on next page, you have to choose the upsell products. So this way you can create upsell flows and boost your sales. And you might ask how to add regular products. For that, click on this create new. So you can create a product from scratch, or you can create POD products, which means print on demand. And if you do not have designs for your products, you can even buy designs from the marketplace. So if I click on this, as you can see, now we are in the marketplace, and these are some of the designs. As you can see, each of them has a price. So this is exactly what the marketplace is. Remember how I showed you that you get a specific amount of marketplace credit on each Appsumo tier. So you can spend that credit on this marketplace, and you can browse the artwork by various categories on the left side. And there are two other options to create your product. So the first one is create new. So you can create a product from scratch. So as you can see, now you have to fill up some details such as the product name, the SKU, the description, the pricing. You have to add media, which means the pictures. You can enable the tracking quantity, which means it is going to track how many products you have sold and how many products are left. You can adjust the shipping settings, the variants, product attributes, and there are a lot of other options that you can customize. And on the right side, there are some other options such as the product status. You can add various categories to your products. You can select the product type, the vendor, and also you can add tags. And about the POD product, you have to click on this print on demand. And now there are two options. There are two apps that you can use to create POD products. So first is Printful, and another is a very popular site called Printify. And then we have this draft section on this left side. So on here you can add drafts, which means once you add a product from this dashboard, but you do not want that product to be live, you can simply keep that to this draft section so that you can make the product live on another time. And then there is the categories. So you can create various categories to divide your products into various sections. As you can see, I have two categories, chatbots and cold email tools. And I even have a subcategory on this chatbot section. So here is the subcategory. It is called C1. And how to create a category? For that, click on create category. And then you have to fill all these details. And when you want to create a subcategory, all you have to do is give once again the title, description, and then you have to select the parent category for this subcategory that you are creating. So you can also create sales and coupons. You have to come to the sales and coupon section, click on add new. So from here you can automate your sales, or you can also create product coupon. So let's check out this product coupon. So on here you have to provide the coupon name, the note, and obviously the discount type. So it could be percentage or a fixed amount, or it could be free shipping. So if you do not want to give the coupon as a cash, you can select free shipping, which means the price is going to remain the same, but the shipping is going to be free. And then you can also limit the usage to store-based currency. You can generate a discount code on here. And then there are some other settings that you can adjust. And then on the left side, we have our inventory. So currently there is no product on inventory, and to add a product, we have to enable the inventory tracking when we are creating a new product on this create new section, adding a new product. And then there is the review section. So on here, you can see all of your published reviews. You can also see the archived ones, pending reviews, which means once a user leaves the review, you can see that on this section. And you can even write a review directly from here. All you have to do is first select the product and then you can add the review. You can also import a lot of reviews at once by importing a CSV file. And then there is the widget collection. So you can enable the review widget so that customer can leave reviews. You can also enable this email collection, which means once someone is trying to leave a review, Launchcart is going to collect the emails. And then there are some admin settings for reviews. And then you will see all of your orders on this order section. And a great feature on here is you can even see the abandoned carts, which means if someone adds something to your carts but do not buy, you can see that on here. So this way you will understand who are your potential customers. You can even send them reminder emails, and the reminder emails are going to be sent automatically. And if you want to edit that email, all you have to do is click on this button. So as you can see, this is the steps that Launchcart is going to follow if someone abandons his or her cart. So the first email is going to be sent after 1 hour. You can edit the template here. The second email is going to be sent after 6 hours. So you can obviously edit each of these steps and also the template, which means the body of email. And then there is the customer section. So on here, you will see all of your customers. And then there is analytics. So on this section, you will get detailed analytics about how your e-commerce store is performing. So need sales, parent orders, upsells, returning customer, and a lot of other insights that you can see to improve your e-commerce stores. And then there are some apps recommended by Launchcart. So here are some apps. For example, you can use this promotional bar app to create and show your promotional announcement on your store. And then there are some other apps such as the MailChimp integration, Launchcart CRM, Go High Level. So there are various tools that you can use. And there are also some recommended tools. So here are those. And there are also a lot of very advanced settings that you can change. So you can get access to all the general settings. You can adjust the domains, which means add your custom domain. You can adjust the currencies, tax, shipping, export wizard, tracking, payment. So this payment option is very important because obviously when you create your own store and your customers want to purchase from your store, you must set up a payment method so they can pay directly on your website. And I really like that Launchcart offers a lot of different payment options. So there are some very popular ones. You can set up Stripe for payment, PayPal, Revere payment, NMI, OpenNote. So these are all of the payment methods that you can add to your website or your e-commerce store. And then there is another very important feature. So that is this checkout editor. On this checkout editor, you can fully customize the checkout page. And this is one of the best features of Launchcart. They allow you to comprehensively customize the checkout page. Let me show you that. So here is a preview of the checkout page. As you can see, here is a very good scarcity timer. Then there is all the information the customer has to fill. And on the right side, the customer can see all of the products that he or she is about to buy. There is a coupon code section. And if I scroll down, and at the bottom of the page, there are various trust seals. So this satisfaction guaranteed, and there are even more trust seals on this secure payment section. So all of these things are going to make your customers have more trust on your store, thus completing the purchases properly. As I have said earlier, there is a very impressive coupon section. So as you can see, this is that. So this is amazing. The checkout page of Launchcart looks super professional. And the best part is you can even customize each and every part of this checkout page. Let me show you some customization options. To customize the checkout page, all you have to do is click on this checkout editor, and here is the editor. So as you can see, there are various content that you can add, such as heading, text, image, button, timer, store logo, and obviously all of these sections are customizable. You can also add various photos. And once you want to add photos, there is a very cool feature. As you can see, there is this magic image feature that lets you create images with AI, which is amazing. And if you do not want to do that, you can click on this more image button to import images from various stock sites, which means stock media. There are also other customization options. So you can customize the theme of your e-commerce stores. As you can see, here are some themes on library. And you can preview this theme or customize this or make it active. You can also go to these pages, and on here you can add custom pages or internal pages such as contact us. So you can obviously edit this page, and then you can also go to these menus to add various menus to your e-commerce stores. And let me show you a preview of this store. So I have to click on view your store. And as you can see, here is a preview of my store, and I have added these two categories. There is also a subcategory in this chatbot category. So as you can see, here is that. Overall, I think Launchcart is an excellent tool. It lets you create an e-commerce stores, and you can customize almost anything that is available on the store. You can add products, you can create new product, and you can even create products directly from the dashboard of Launchcart. It could be POD products, or you can also buy designs from marketplace to design your own product. There are various advanced features such as creating the upsell flow, automating your sales. So I think if you are planning to launch your own e-commerce stores, Launchcart could be an excellent option. And if you want to buy it from Appsumo on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this lifetime deal, you are going to get all of these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There are also license tier 3 and license tier 4. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.